Stop. If you are still copy pasting the same instructions into Claude every single day, you are literally paying with your time for something that should be free. What if Claude already knew your workflow, your tone, your entire process before you typed a single word? We are talking zero repetitions, no more explaining yourself, just results. That is, generating a full competitor analysis while you are still on your morning run. In fact, you can do the work of 3 people with the effort of 1. This is Claude Skills, and the people quietly using this right now. By the end of this video, you won't just understand Claude Skills, you will have Claude working for you like a personal assistant who never forgets, never gets tired, and never asks you to repeat yourself. In fact, I will tell you about the 2 ways you can set up Claude Skills easily even if you just started experimenting with Claude. Hey everyone, I am Nitin and you are watching the AI University. If you are new here, I have spent years building real-world machine learning and AI applications. Here is what is coming up. Number 1, you will discover how to use Claude's built-in skills in the Claude web interface. Secondly, I will tell you how to craft your own skills with powerful customizations. That is, based on your need and requirements, how can you create the customized Claude skills in the Visual Studio Code. Let's dive straight in and start with option number 1, setting up Claude skills directly into Claude Chat web interface. Alright, so go to claude.ai and sign in with your credentials. You need to make sure that you are on a paid plan, either pro or team. You can check your subscription easily by heading to lower left in the profile section. Here you can see that I am on the pro plan, right? But you can upgrade your plan by clicking on this upgrade plan options if in case you are not on paid plan. Now here you will see this settings option as well, right? So just click on settings and then click on capabilities and scroll down until you see this skills option. Here click on go to customize and you can see that the Claude has a default inbuilt skills mentioned here already. So these are some of the inbuilt skills that Claude provides. So think of these skills as miniature automation bots. Claude bundles in several built-in skills and you can browse through these directly on this page. So this is the creator skill, then you have this canvas design skill, then you have this theme factory skill, in fact Slack GIF creator skill as well. So you can very well make use of these inbuilt skills. Now let me take a moment to tell you what the Claude skills are. Well, a skill in Claude is nothing but an instruction based .md or markdown file, just like you see here, right? So this is the .md skill.md or markdown file which contains the set of instructions to perform a given activity. Now, in order to perform this activity, it might need certain external tool to complete the task. And all of this is mentioned in this markdown file. If I give you an example, let's say you are a financial advisor and every day you need to tell your customers which stock to buy and which particular stock they need to sell. Now, in order to do this, you might need the Yahoo API to get the latest prices of the stocks for today. You already have a skill or markdown file where you have instructions to get the yesterday's price from an Excel sheet. Then you compare yesterday's and today's price to take a buy or sell call. The Yahoo API to get today's price is one of the tool and Excel sheet is another tool to determine which stock to sell or which one to buy. And the instructions to compare yesterday's and today's prices are the skills based on which you give the buy or sell call to the customers. But what if you want to create your own custom skills with your custom instructions for a specific task? Let's say you are a lead generation agency which generates the leads and sends personalized emails to the potential customers. Now, in your emails, you want to share the insights and gaps related to their business. So for this, you would need to have a custom Claude skills written which can gather the customer business insights and gaps data and then write a personalized email to share this data. Now, when you give prompt, Claude identifies this skill.md file that you're going to create, and it follows all the skills instructions to perform that particular task. So you necessarily package the skill once and reuse it multiple times. So how do we do that? Well, we are going to make use of this skill creator inbuilt skill Claude. Okay, so hit new chat and type make a new skill, and you can see that it is reading the skill creator instructions. So the skill creator launches a mini interview and it is asking few questions here. So number one is, what should this skill help Claude to do? So I will type, let's build an email personalization skill, and click next. Then it will ask, do you have a rough idea of this skill already or are you starting from scratch? So I will click start from scratch, help me figure it out. So now it is asking me few more questions. So I will select number one option, personalize outreach emails for sales marketing. So I will fast forward these questions because in your case those questions might be different. So after I submitted my response, it has started creating the skill, and you can see that it is writing the email personalization skill.md file. So here's the essential tip. Before submitting, always ask, what else should I clarify? That's the difference between a skill that sort of works and one that's a laser targeted to your workflow. Once you have answered few follow-up questions, Claude assembles an entire skill file in seconds. So all you need to do after that is download it and head back to the skill in settings. I will show you in a short while. And one thing to remember here is that in order to trigger a specific task related to that skill, you need to provide a concrete trigger word or magic word. Like for example, in my case, my trigger word would be email personalization here, which is in bolds, right? So this will be the trigger word which gets identified by a specific skill when you mention it in your prompt to do a specific task. So as you can see here, it has created this email personalization skill.md file where it has all the steps mentioned to write the personalized emails. Now what we need to do is go here, 3 dots, and download it. So you can see here that this is the email personalization.skill file. Once you download it, head back to the settings, then capabilities, then go to customize, and here you see this plus sign right adjacent to skills. You can just click on upload a skill, where you will upload the skill file that you downloaded just a while ago. So click on plus, select the skill file, and you can see that under my skills section the email personalization skill started appearing. Now if you click on new chat, so here let's type email personalize, which is our trigger word, right? And I will say, please write the personalized email to the director of the company let's say adblitzai.com and press enter. And here you can see that it is reading email personalization skill that we created just a while ago. And it is fetching the data from the AdBlitz AI website. And I will select right from scratch, and I will say selling a product or service. I will say, so it is asking for the director's name. I will say Harrison Ford is the name of the director. Actually, this is the hypothetical name I'm using. And I want to offer training services to this company. Okay, so it says it has everything it needs, and let's see what result it will give. And bravo, you can see that it has created a personalized email, right? As you can see here, hi Harrison, AdBlitz AI is doing something genuinely exciting. Turning product images into studio quality video ads in minutes is a compelling shift in how brand think about creative production. And then it has mentioned, I offer tailored training programs that help teams onboard faster, reduce time to first ad, so on and so forth. So it has created a very beautiful personalized email, and you can even send it via Gmail, but obviously you need to enable Gmail here, then only you will be able to send the email. So as you can see, you just created your own email personalization skill, and now every time if you need to send an email to a potential customer, or any business that you're dealing with, all you need to do is just type a prompt and it can write a personalized email every time. You don't need to write a detailed prompt mentioning the name and what all things you need to include in the email. It will take all that information from the email personalization skill file that you have created just a while ago. Please note that sometimes Claude doesn't recognize your custom skill trigger name right away. In our case, the custom trigger was this email personalized, right? So my fix is use the exact skill name in your prompt. That improves the recognition. Now what if you want Claude to talk to other tools? Well, skills can call MCP servers. That means Claude can connect with Gmail, Slack, Telegram, and even your CRM. Okay, so that's for another video, but just wanted to let you know that skills can also get connected with the MCP servers as well. So before moving on to the second part of this video showing how to add skills in Visual Studio Code, I want to take a moment to introduce you to the platform known as AdBlitz AI. If you run any kind of business, slick ads are crucial. That's where AdBlitz AI comes in. AdBlitz AI is an AI powered commercial ad generator. All you do is drop in your product images, and in minutes it creates professional scroll stopping video ads. No video production crew, no editing headaches. It's perfect for e-commerce brands, marketers, or creators needing stunning ads to stand out on Google, YouTube, Meta, or TikTok. Check it out at adblitzai.com. Link is in the description. Now the second way you can add the skill is in your Visual Studio Code, which is a code editor. So if you are a tech savvy, then you can go this route to create a skill in Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It is available for free to download. So in order to use Claude inside VS Code, you need to install the Claude plugin. So you can head over to this extension section, and if Claude Code is not appearing here, you can just type Claude here and it will show you the options. But the one that you need to use is this Claude Code for VS Code, right, which has roughly 6.6 million users or downloads. and you can just click on the install button here. Since I have already installed, that's why it is not showing, but you can click on install button to install the Claude Code for VS Code. Thereafter, you would need to log in with your Claude account credentials. Okay, I have already logged in. So what we can do is we can directly go to the File Explorer on the top left corner. It asks you to open a folder, so you can create a fresh folder on your computer and select that folder here. So you can just select the folder. I'm clicking this folder, select folder, and your folder name will started appearing here, just like mine is appearing here, right on the top left corner. Now click on settings, and in the search bar type skill, and you will see this option, use agent skills. You need to check mark this option, use agent skills, then only you will be able to do anything here. Now here in the chat section, type something like initialize this project with a simple .claude/skills structure. Okay, and press enter. Once you pressed enter, you will see a .claude folder, and under this you will see this sample skill, and under that skill.md file. Now inside this folder, I will click on this plus to add a new skill. So a new folder will be created, and I will name this as skill sales email. Alright, and inside this folder we will create a markdown file with the name skill.md. which will outline the skill instructions. And right now you can see that it doesn't have anything, it's blank. But now inside this skill.md file, you can write your own instructions to create these sales related personalized emails. I already have these instructions, so I will just copy paste the instructions here. So as you can see here, first we need to provide the name of the skill, which is a skill sales email, followed by the description. You can be detailed enough, or you can provide a short description as well, just like I have provided here. And then the details about what the skill does, and then the entire workflow of the personalized email, right? Once you do that, just press Ctrl S to save this file. And so this is how you can create your own custom skills inside the Visual Studio Code. So now if you want to summon your newly created skill, all you need to do is just type / and type the name of the skill, and you can see that your skill has started appearing here. If you click this skill, it will perform the task that it has been created for. In your case, if you are planning to create a new skill, you can very well summon that skill from just like I showed you here, / and then the name of the skill, and then you can provide an instruction what you want to do with that skill. In my case, if I say like, create a sales email, it will just trigger that sales email skill here, and it will provide me a personalized email based on the instructions that I have provided here in the skill. So this is how you create the skill in the Visual Studio Code. So hit like if this showed you something new or helped you save time. Each click helps the channel keep sharing the latest AI breakthroughs. Subscribe so that you don't miss the notifications for the new videos, and check the links below for community and tool recommendation. Thank you so much, and bye for now. See you in the next one.